my trunk latch. Look at that, it's broken. Bought the car that way, and I just recently bought a new latch, replaced it, and not even 2 weeks later, this guy's broken. This is one off eBay. So cheap Chinese, I got another cheap Chinese one, but it's the wrong part number, so I'm gonna switch these out. I mean, they look identical, so we'll see if it actually makes any difference. They're not the right part number, but this one was way cheaper, so I figured I'd give it a shot. If it doesn't work, I'll send it back. I just wanna show you the process. It's not hard. There's just 4 Torx, T20 Torx screws. One, open this guy up, 2, 3, 4, to pull this panel off. Pull all these pieces out, and then you have access to it. So I'll just go ahead and get that started. And this one you just kind of tug at it. These are little metal spring clips, so they're pretty robust. They just are snapping into these metal slots there. Just kind of pull on it in different spots. Kind of feels like you're gonna break it, but this is the second time I'm doing this. There we go. Yeah, so it's the M8 of these kind of special European VW style bits. Okay, yeah, so easiest to take the screws out, get a little more access to this, and then it just pops out. Okay, let's see if is there any noticeable difference between these? None whatsoever. That's what I figured. All the pictures looked exactly the same. So, get that back installed. First off, let's see, does it open? Oh, doesn't seem to have a problem electrically. So, shoot, I don't know. This one was, I paid $55 for that one. The original OEM part's like $300 or $350 if you get it from the dealer. This one was $21 on Amazon. Not the right part number, but so far I'm not convinced that it matters. It looks like it's gonna fit and work. Okay, hopefully it doesn't lock me out permanently, so I'm gonna shut it and see if I can get it open. Hey, there we go. Functional. There we go. 20 bucks. And it was next day shipping. Ah, yes. Try one more time. Look at that. Okay, well that's the route I'm going forever now. Just to confirm, the hatch is shut, and it's indicating that the trunk is shut. So let me just go back and just make sure that the sensors all work. Showing the boot open. And it's closed. And I just put it all back on. It's a little bit harder to get back on, just because kind of these pieces have to bend out quite a bit. Make sure they're all lining up. Yeah, you just kind of peel them back up and over the cables that are there. Make sure they line up. Little clips. There we go. I just gotta push around, make sure. Oh, see, I had some undone still. Make sure they're all in there. And I'm just kind of tucking these little, there's these little tabs that kind of need to tuck in here around some stuff. Make sure they're sliding in there nice. Oops. Yeah, if any of these little clips fall out, it's nice that they make them little metal clips, because if they were plastic they would probably not last with all the taking on and off. Okay. Bent clip here. There we go. There we go. That's my problem. Last time I had a little clip, there's a little clip on this side that had been bent inward and I was forcing it, trying to get it in. The T20 Torx bit. Okay. Shut that up, try it again. Beautiful. Well, it's working beautifully now, and it looks like we can save a little bit of money by going with this not correct part number.